Usher Syndrome is a genetic syndrome that affects your hearing, balance, and your vision.
My name is Brendan Creamer.
I'm Karen Tenon.
I'm Jessica Chekhov.
My name is Rachel Chekhov.
My name is Ryan Bondroff.
My name is Stephen Ehrlich, E-H-R-L-I-C-H.
What's your name?
Zachary.
I was 19 years old when I was diagnosed with Usher Syndrome.
And I was 21 years old. And after that, my vision changed very rapidly.
I was born deaf with limited vision. It would have been called tunnel vision. And when I was 40, I became totally blind.
At night, I am currently struggling and had to use a white cane in order to navigate. As somebody who wants to go into research in the sociology realm, I'd like to be able to observe things. And without my vision, I wouldn't be able to observe.
I couldn't see people's faces. I was not used to my environment where I always was when I was sighted, and I started using sign language to communicate, and I required people to identify themselves when they would communicate with me.
When I was 30 years old, I started noticing changes in my vision. It was much harder. I keep hope alive, and I keep doing this, and I keep overcoming the barriers. And that's just kind of life, as I know.
I currently have a service dog who helps me at night navigating different buildings on my college campus. And I also use a white cane when I do not have my service dog with me.
I require the use of an interpreter and a support service provider.
Certainly my wife helps. I mean, I do a lot of things, but I do not cook.
Zachary, do you have magic ears?
Yeah.
Show me them.
It would mean a lot to me to have a cure because I would rather not lose more vision in the future because I like the way my vision is right now.
It would just mean not only a huge relief, it would just be amazing.
Having a cure is really important to me because I want to be able to continue to see very well for the rest of my life because I love traveling and photographing new places that I see everywhere in the world.
I would love to be able to see my wife's face again. I've never seen her after we got married.
Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride. Thank you.
Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a good ride. Thank you for coming.